Hey, so today I want to talk about changing your wardrobe out for the incoming seasons. So here in England we have 4 distinct seasons. We have spring, summer, autumn and winter. So at the beginning of spring and at the beginning of autumn I switch my wardrobe out and put the clothes for the previous season up in the attic. So pretty much what I do is I go through all of the clothes in my closet and I take out anything that is I can't carry over to the other season. So I have some tops and pants that I can carry over throughout the whole year, but anything that gets taken out, I go through it, I check it, and I do that when I do the laundry as well. So often there's not really anything wrong with things, but maybe I've been holding on to something just because I like it and it's seen better days and it really does need to go. So I check it and I decide whether I still like it or not. And I have a giveaway pile right there. Then I fold everything up ready to go into the attic. Then when that's done, the stuff comes down from the attic from the previous season and I go through the same process. I take it all out, I look at it, I decide whether I like it, because a weird thing happens while it's away. It kind of puts a distance between me and any connection I've got with the clothes, so I'm able to look at it maybe a little bit less emotionally, and I let things go out of the stuff that's been in the attic. Once I've been through that and I've got my pile, and it's normally kind of a largest black trash bag full of stuff to donate by this point, I will then hang up or put into the dresser all the clothes that are going to be the winter clothes, and then I donate the stuff to Goodwill, and I put the summer clothes in the attic until next year. It's a really simple process. It might sound like it takes a long time, but it generally takes 15 minutes per season. So when I'm going through, like I just went through my summer clothes, that took me about 15 minutes, and then to do the other side when I brought the autumn winter clothes down, that took me about another 15 minutes. So it's not a big, scary, overwhelming thing. It's quite a short, easy thing to do. Having said that, I declutter in my closet every month. I do it as I do laundry. I check things over to see if they maybe need to go for whatever reason, or if I notice there's something in the closet that I haven't been wearing, or it doesn't fit me anymore for whatever reason. Sadly at the moment it doesn't fit me because the scales are going up, not down, but sometimes it's because they're going down. It's been more down than up recently, but for some reason that's a glitch I'm in right now, but I will put that right. So I just make those decisions on a monthly basis as well, and that keeps everything kind of moving along. But it's real important to do that, and I find doing it twice a year in that kind of concentrated 15-minute session really lets me stay on top of it. Shoes, slightly different matter. Yeah, I am good with shoes and I do let them go, but I tend to have my favourite pairs that I just love and struggle to let go because I like pretty shoes. But even then, with my shoes, I will go through them. I have a pair that I've decided are just too high. They're really pretty and I love them, but they can't just sit in my closet looking pretty. They need to be loved by someone else. So they are going out of the door today. So whatever it is, if you've got a bag thing or a scarves, or still be kind of the same way, go through them. What don't you wear, even if it's really pretty? If you're not wearing it because it's just not suitable, then you can let that go too. Someone else will be looking for just that thing and will be delighted to have found it. So that's my thoughts on keeping our closet moving throughout the year. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you are able to maybe put some of these little videos that I make into action, and it helps you around your house too. You have a great day.